The Bosch boiler C1 error code is displayed when there is no airflow in the boiler. This issue can be caused by a faulty fan, among other things. To resolve the problem, start by resetting the boiler. Locate the reset button, which may be the power button on some models. Press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Wait 30 seconds, and then power the boiler back on to see if the error code persists. If the issue remains, replacing the faulty fan may be necessary, a task that requires the assistance of a technician. The process involves unplugging the boiler, removing its cover to access the internal components, disconnecting the fan's plug connector and electrode connections, and then pulling out the fan assembly. It's also a good idea to inspect the electrode's condition and replace it if necessary. Once the new fan is installed, the gas connector and wire connector can be reattached. The boiler can be plugged back in and tested to ensure the error code no longer appears.